Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can purchase coins in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can go to Home. After you click on Home, go to Settings. Then the next thing you want to do is find Shops, and right on the Shops is Coins. Go ahead and tap on Coins and you can see you can easily buy coins from here. So it's your coin history or purchase history and the coin user's history. But if you want to buy the coin, you can see buy on the top right hand corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of the price of the coins. So it starts from 99 cents and the highest is $139. So you can go ahead and buy this. It's quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on it and you should enter your card details, your debit or credit card. You must go ahead and sign into your debit or credit card. After you write your card number, write the OTP, and you can write the CVS number as well, and then you can easily buy this. So guys, if you want to buy the coins in a line, you can do this process and you can easily buy coins safely. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.